this way.
Can I go there in the
No,
middle?
stay here because that train won't be able to stop. Stay here.
Oh my God! The smoke!
See it?
I can't see
He's
it!
my ride.
I can't see it!
Yep, we're after. Come.
Right for us. Oh God, she's right there.
I think it's on this track. So, if you scoot back.
Scoot back!
I think so. It looks like it. Unless they're going to switch tracks. It looks like it's on this track. Yeah.
I have a bell! I have a bell!
Yeah.
I have the whistle! Oh! Jay, this is Nico's dream.
Is this Amy?
I guess you can go away. Wait, so that black stuff is smoke?
That's the steam.
The track is going down.
Yeah, it's on this track. There it is. Come here. It's on this track. It's going to come right past us. We're on the right track. It's going to come right past us. Come here.
It's so big.
Yes.
Now we get to see it up close.
Oh my gosh, that was really up close. Like, closer than I thought.
That's crazy.
That was over a couple minutes.
This is awesome. Oh look, we get to see the inside.
It looked like it's way longer than I thought.
There's a girl on it. There was a girl on it.